In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a baby laser meme here in Filmora. Before we proceed, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any video in the future. First, let's go to the Media tab. You will see that I've prepared a video with a baby, but you can import any other for your meme. Then, let's start editing. So I'll drag the video onto the timeline. Then, I'll select the part of my video that I want to start animating. For me, I'll use this one, and let's double click on it. Here, you'll see the transform setting being extended. Then, I'll enable the motion tracking option, and I'll adjust the tracker on the place of the scene I want it to, as I'm doing now on the preview window. Once you are ready, let's activate the motion tracking clicking here, and you'll see the tracker already followed the part of the scene you selected. Now, let's start doing the funny part. So go to the Elements tab and search Laser. I'll use this one and drag it onto the fourth track. Then, I'll double click on it to adjust the position and scale on the preview window accordingly. Now, I'll go back to the Elements tab and I'll use another one and drag it onto the third track to double click on it and adjust the position as we did on the previous one. Once I'm ready. I'll duplicate my clip because I'll track the elements I've selected to my video. To do that, I'll double click on the duplicated one to select the element I want the tracker to follow. And then I'll repeat the same process with the other clip. Now that I'm almost ready, head over to the Transition tab. I'll use a dissolve for the ending of my video and I'll drag them. Then, I'll use another transition on my lasers and I'll drag it onto the laser element. And there you have it. Your easy and fun baby laser meme is done. If you would like to recreate this, you can simply click Import Template at the bottom left of the video in Filmora Creator Academy to get the project files and replace the default media with your clips. If you would like to learn more about video editing, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated when we upload new videos in the future. Do check out other tutorials on this channel and comment below to let us know what you would like to learn next. Till next time, stay creative with Filmora.